Hey friends! After a long break, Motorola is finally back with a brand new smartphone, the Moto G67 Power. Earlier, Motorola was launching 2 phones every month, but then we saw a long 3 to 4 month gap. Now it looks like the company is coming back strong with new launches lined up for the next few months. Today, we're unboxing the Moto G67 Power, checking out its design, display, performance, and cameras. And yes, this one is special because it's the biggest battery phone Motorola has ever made. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech videos. Inside the box, you get the usual stuff: documentation, a SIM ejector tool, a 33W fast charger, and a Type-A to Type-C cable. And of course, the phone itself, which immediately feels solid and well built. Unlike older Moto phones, this one isn't ultra-light, and that's fine because of its 7,000 mAh battery. The design is slightly refreshed this time with a vegan leather back, giving it a premium look and soft touch feel. Motorola calls this color cilantro, which actually looks quite stylish. You also get Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection and MIL STD 810H durability certification. The phone easily survives small drops without scratches. For under $180, this design feels like something from a mid-range segment. It's comfortable to hold and looks more expensive than it actually is. At the bottom, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. On the right side, you get the power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor and volume rockers. The phone weighs around 210 grams, which is quite good for a large battery device. The Moto G67 Power features a 6.7-inch FHD IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It offers 1050 nits brightness, making it usable even outdoors. The bezels are average with a slightly thick chin, but overall display quality looks vibrant. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. On Antutu, it scores around 850,000 points, which is impressive for this segment. You can play BGMI at 60 FPS, and multitasking feels smooth and lag-free. It runs on Hello UI based on Android 15, with 3 years of security updates. The interface is close to stock Android with minimal bloatware. You also get smart features like Think Shield, Moto Unplugged, and Smart Connect. The stereo speakers are tuned by Dolby Atmos, delivering rich and immersive sound. With Widevine L1 support, you can stream Netflix and Prime Video in full HD. Together with the large display, the overall multimedia experience is excellent. The Moto G67 Power supports Wi-Fi 6, 11 5G bands, and Bluetooth 5.1. There's no NFC or IR blaster, but you do get a 3.5mm audio jack. SAR values are within limits, ensuring safe usage. It has a 50 megapixels Sony Lytia 600 main sensor and an 8MP ultrawide camera. The selfie camera is 32MP, capable of shooting 4K at 30 FPS. Photos are detailed and well balanced, while the ultrawide lens is slightly softer. You get all camera modes: portrait, pro, night vision, dual view, slow motion, and more. AI automatically enhances colors and sharpness using the photo enhancement engine. And since you get Google Photos integration, AI editing tools are built in. The main highlight, The 7000 mAh battery, Motorola's biggest ever. It supports 30W fast charging with the included charger. Easily lasts 2 full days of normal use or 1 day of heavy gaming. At just $180, the Moto G67 Power offers a premium design, massive battery, solid performance, and good cameras. Sure, it could have come with Android 16 out of the box, but overall, it's one of the best options in this price range. This video is made in collaboration with Motorola, but all opinions are based on real testing. Until next time, keep tracking and stay safe.